Hey guys, welcome to JCW Outdoors. This past weekend I hunted on Friday afternoon, most of the day Saturday, and then did a small hunt on Sunday, late afternoon, early evening. This video is going to be Friday and Saturday, and then I'll have a dedicated video for the Sunday hunt. Saturday was the governor's hunt. I've kind of explained that before, where basically the governor's office of economic development invites people from out of state to come to South Dakota, check us out, look at our business environment, and hopefully recruit some people to move their businesses here to the state. My boss owns a number of properties, and he was the host of one group of hunters, and Sage and I got to go with. I don't have a whole lot of footage from that just because it's a lot of walking through cornfields. You know, it's not, I enjoy it. I loved it, had a great time. You'll see some pretty fun stuff on the video, but I would much rather be by myself with Sage in tandem, just watching her do her thing. So anyhow, hopefully you guys enjoy that. I also really want to give a big thank you to all of you. Recently I hit the 1,000 subscriber mark, which is a goal, and it was something I wanted to do organically. You guys may or may not notice that I don't barrage you with the like, comment, and subscribe. Obviously that stuff helps, but at the same time I want you here watching because you enjoy what I'm doing, not because you feel obligated. If you guys are interested, I have a few XL and 2XL hooded sweatshirts like these. They're $50. I'll be honest, they cost me $40 to be produced, so essentially I'm just covering my shipping costs to get them to you. If you're interested, my email address is down below. Yeah, we'll figure out a way to get one to you. Anyhow, here we go.
Turkey! Turkeys! Woo! Oh, I want to shoot one. Checking on where you were. Rooster! Rooster! All right.
Just grab that bottom beak and it breaks like that. It's a young bird. 51 years hunting, I learned something new today.
Rooster! Dead bird, Sage, where'd he go? Fight him. Oh, I got him. All right, got him, Mike. Sage, here. Here. Dead bird, where'd he go? Sharp-tailed grouse. This way? No, I found feathers. Oh. Yeah.
Grass is so thick. You got it there?
I don't know. Sage, you got him? And a girl.
Is that it?
Stone dead.
Wow! Wow! All of a sudden it did crawl. It was,
Yeah, she's like, oh.
It was a ways away from there.
Yeah.
She's saying you pick it up.
That was great.
Good.
Good retrieve.
Alright, well.
All of a sudden
Yeah.
I thought she's not looking away from me.
No. So, alright, well, I was gonna be sick if I lost those.
Yeah, you don't get a chance.
No, you don't. No.
Well, let's continue.
Alright. And good girl. Nope, leave it. Here. Let a girl sage. Good. Whew. Oh, good girl, Sage. Good girl. Here. That a girl. Good. All right. Hey, we worked for that one. Yeah, we did. Well, you did. Spring of the year, but homeboy. There it is. Good girl, Sage. Hey, I know. It was rowdy, but we got him. So I'm back to doing the super loud, driving down the road, outro. I don't feel like dealing with it later. But conditions, the reason I wanted to talk is conditions are tough right now. Still a lot of habitat, real thick habitat, and it is dry. I don't know if the camera picked it up, but I'm gonna hopefully try and get it. But when we first started, you could see every time Sage was hitting the ground, just a cloud of dust was poofing up. Not very conducive to finding pheasants. She did a great job under the circumstances, and we managed to get one. So yeah, short video, nothing superfluous or awesome, but it was yeah, it's what I love. It's, for me, it's all the anticipation of the flush. Sage just, she's on them. I know she's on them. I don't know, it's just, that's why I do it. I think that's why a lot of us do it. If you don't have a tradition of hunting, start one. If you do your best to keep that alive. Thanks, guys.